bird, because I can't get any bitches or a job. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. You broke. You broke.
Why your wings don't look like wings? Why your wings don't look like wings?
They look like wings to me, buddy.
What are those?
What is that? Please elaborate, chat.
That is not a wing.
Wings.
That is not a wing.
Wings, bitch.
No.
Wings. Tail feather, motherfucker. Tail feather, motherfucker. Wings. Head. Where's your bird's head? Please elaborate, chat. Where's his bird head? Is his bird's head not going like this?
Whose bird looks better? The battle of the birds.
Hey,
this nigga literally copied me, bro. You're sad, Jay. You ain't getting no money, homie.
Hey,
Don't get nervous.
Homie, stop stealing that.
Y'all both get nervous.
You ain't got no money, homie.
Hey, show your other face tattoo.
Y'all didn't think twice about that.
I'm not showing shit, bro. Why you want to look at me?
Got them
You was
bitches.
a bitch. You ain't gonna never have no motion.
What's the meaning? I want to know the meaning behind both y'all's tattoos.
He don't
Shut
have
the
no
fuck
meaning.
up, Wyezy. What's the meaning behind your tattoo?
Yo, I'm
fly.
dead.
Like I'm legit fly. Like he not fly. Like he bummy.
Bro, you're not fly, bro. You want to be fly. That's why you changed your name.
Bro,
Goofy.
let me
Goofy.
keep it,
Goofy man. Go play on Disney Channel, Goofy.
Okay.
Goofy man.
Keep it
Goofy man.
Keep it
Shut your bitch ass up. I ain't keeping shit 1,000. Nigga, you ain't even got 1,000 in your bank account, nigga. Shut up.
Bro,
I'll slap your bitch ass, nigga. I'll slap that bird a new head, boy.
Look at your hair. Look at your hair.
Look at your hair, nigga. That shit finna fall off, nigga. That shit hanging on by a thread, boy.
That or Kodak Black. That's what I mean.
No thinning dreads.
Them bitches thinning the fuck out, boy. Them bitches finna
The
fall
shadows
out.
have legs. Yo, hey, Shadow, do your bird have legs?
Hell no, his bird ain't got shit. The neck going like this.
Nigga, this
Fight over his bird got legs. Hey, y'all make sure you follow this account. It's my only live page.
His bird going like this, y'all. That motherfucker head like this.
Oh my
They
god,
didn't make it either, so I don't know, man. The Island Boys don't make it either, so I don't know.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? You know what the fuck going on. This bitch ass nigga Shadow ain't got no hoes, no money, no job, no motion, no income.
Two white boys making these black boys like that?
Why he keep talking about money?
Broke nigga.
No money. Never show no money.
Broke nigga.
It's a different world.
Nigga, this where my money go.
Whole different generation now.
My money go on nice shit. What you got? Broke.
No bullshit.
Broke.
Flexes they grandmom TV.
Broke.
You hang out with crackheads. I seen your whole gang yesterday.
I sure do, bro. I be serving them.
The fuck?
You one of them. I be serving you on the block. You be on the block. Like, can I please get some crack? I gotta fix my burger. Head ass, boy.
I feel sorry for you. And you drink beer? And how old are you?
I don't drink, bro. I'm healthy, bro. I'm drinking, good milkshakes, bro. Good protein shakes, bro. You know what I'm saying? I hit the football field, run 50 laps. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. You not getting no money, bro. Let's be honest, bro. Where's your money? This man pulled out a Glock with no shells in it. Come on, bro. You ain't got no fucking shells in that motherfucker.
Who don't got shells?
You don't got shells, bro.
Bro, you don't have a gun. Show me.
You right. You right. I'm on probation. I don't own a firearm right now.
Okay, then. So you don't own a firearm. So what are you talking? You're lacking.
That don't mean they ain't got one.
What are you talking
about? I don't own one.
I could run up.
It ain't got my name on it. It got your name on it, motherfucker. Your ass is grass, bitch.
Hold on, listen. Let me talk to you real quick. Look, if I run up on you and your mom,
bro, I don't want to hear you talk, bro.
Listen,
everything you talk about is hot garbage, bro.
You and your mom,
your shit hot, bro. Stop talking, bro.
If I just pop your mom, how can you defend yourself? You laughing. You pussy.
My mom would laugh at you, bro. She would laugh at you, bro. She already knows about you copying my face tattoo, bro.
Yourself. You can't defend nobody. You can't defend your family. You a bitch.
I don't. What am I defending? Am I supposed to be offended by your bitch ass? Come on, bro. Be serious, bro. Go to bed. Night, nigga. Night, nigga. Hold on. Where the Bible at? You need some Jehovah. Hey. Are you prepared for Jehovah's return?
I ain't gonna
head ass, boy. Shut the fuck up, man. Go to church, nigga. You scared? Go to church, nigga.
Hey, you could talk all that bullshit on you.
You was in the Christian hotline the other day. I saw you praying to God, nigga. Shut up.
You was watching me? For real?
Ryan, don't scream and shit. I'm going to restart my live. Make sure you're following in case I have to restart, y'all.
Nigga got a pistol by the bed. Ain't protecting shit.
Ryan.
Time out. First of all, why do both of y'all got Big Bird on your motherfucking head? That's not no motherfucker.
This nigga copied me, bro. I ain't trying to hear shit. Why do he got that shit on his head?
Well, y'all both made bad life decisions. Y'all made bad life decisions.